So I'm sure you've been thinking about how you want to approach this, since you're so interested. What do you know about it, first of all? That's the question. What do you know about what are we doing here that you don't what do you know about it? Why do you even want to take the cowl off?
Well, somehow we have to get to where the fuel goes somewhere. Because it may be gummed up.
So what's the problem? What's the problem?
Well, the fuel isn't getting to the cylinder or wherever it combusts.
Right. So we know that because we had taken the spark plug off, right? I put gas in it.
Right.
It started and ran for about 2 seconds.
Right.
I did that twice.
Right.
Both times it worked. We also know that this choke on here, which is supposed to turn left, right? See this? Try it with your finger. Don't go, right?
It doesn't go.
Now that's a problem.
That's a problem.
We also know that the fuel line, which I replaced right here, was deteriorated. It was completely deteriorated.
Okay.
I put this in here.
Okay, yeah.
Which takes years.
Okay.
It has to sit there for years,
yeah,
for that to happen. So we know it's been sitting for years, right? So, which tells us that, hey, probably had gasoline in it the last time they used it. The gasoline's all dried up. We got hoses that most likely are going to need to be replaced. We don't know if they have to be replaced throughout the whole system. But we need to start someplace. The place we have to start is right over here where the carburetor sits. See the carburetor? Right there. Oh. That's the carburetor. So this cover goes over the carburetor. So we have to take this cover off, but in order to really work on it, we have to take this off. Okay? What I'm trying to do is drain as much gas out of that line as I can right now. I guess we got it all. All right, now, when we take this thing apart, we'll take this screw out, then we're going to have to deal with this, right? So we have to make a note of where that's going. Now, what we need to do is get a container, like you said. Get me alright, just bring that funnel over here. Not much gas in there.
No.
Not supposed to be much gas in there.
Whoop.
I wasn't expecting that. Were you? I didn't think you'd come jumping up at me like that. That's not fair. That makes me mad. I'm mad at it. One thing I do kind of like is the fact that the fuel system seems to be, the gas tank seems to be okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's not plugged. It can be a pain in the neck. You like the smell of gas, do you? Smells a little bit like corn liquor. This book is from my snowblower, okay? And this is it? No, this isn't it. Here's the Tecumseh Engen guide. This Tecumseh Engen guide that I got with that, my snowblower, see it? Is the guide for your engine. See, it's got this kind of choke. So, see this right here? We got one little problem, don't we? It's supposed to have a bowl drain on it, but it doesn't have a bowl drain.
So how many of these have you done?
Carburetors?
Yeah.
2. I have no idea. I've been working on them all my life. I started when I had my first car. So what was that, 60 maybe, 59?
Were you good at it from the start?
No, I'm not good at it now. So, I mean, that's no problem there. But I just somehow stumble my way through. Broke it. Oh, broke my damn tool. That's not funny. You know how long I've had that? That's serious stuff. That's rotten. And you laugh about it. You laughed. See, that's why that hook was good. Now what? All right, here's what we could do. We could squirt it real good through this way. That's the sound we're looking for. Okay. Doesn't hang up. Okay, then we need the gasket. Right? Then we gotta clean that. You want to do that? We gotta get a
sure.
some paper towels here. Some more paper towels.
There's a bunch of them. So what would you be doing today if you weren't fixing things?
Today? I'm fixing things. That's what I do. Fix things. I got electrical outlets to put in. I got all kind of stuff. I think that's the original spark plug and it looked really good. When I was younger, I used to think you're supposed to tighten everything real tight. Excellent. All right. Put some gas in this bad boy. Prime it. Let's see what happens. Oh, not so good. Well, it could be that the bowl hasn't. Oh, we got to turn the gas on. Turn the gas on. Let's do that first. Now we got to get gas in the bowl.
Okay.
So it's going to take a little while to do that. It's classic, right?
Absolutely.
Has to go down in the annals of being a classic.